Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 El Camino with the Holley Sniper Fuel Injection 2 system on there. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece ray main seal. We have the Compcams roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan on there. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, with all the wire markers on there. We have the TIG welded chrome valve covers with the 383 badges on there in the center. We have the Vortec black intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the El Camino. High flow thermostat in there. Braided PCV hose in black. We have the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system, fuel injection system on there with the black 383 stroker air cleaner with a washable filter. Throttle cable balls on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket. We'll set the Holley Sniper EFI system on the menu screen. All the settings will be dialed in, set for the customer, plug and play, ready to go. We have the MST coil on there. Small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance on the 67 El Camino right there. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there, mounted with the heavy duty Russell line. Fuel pressure gauges on there. We'll set the fuel pressure at 58.5 psi for the Sniper EFI. We have manifold vacuum fittings installed in the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. Has a proper tooth count and balance with the 383 Chevy. We have the high torque mini starter on there. Chrome dipstick and tube. Chrome push-in breather. Heavy duty Russell black braided line with the AN fittings up to the Sniper EFI. We have the loop clamps coming down with the correct Sniper EFI gas filter. This real nice black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit. The self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors on there, reverse rotation water pump on there. We have the 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. So there you have it. This is our 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine. Every engine is live run. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You test the engine for over an hour. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We dial in the menu screen on the Sniper EFI. We set the idle for you. Everything is tuned, ready to go here. We check for leaks. Everything, again, thoroughly gone over. When you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969 here. Again, so there you have it, our 383 stroker, 475 horsepower engine for the 1967 El Camino. Thanks for watching.